Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel, where we explore the exciting world of data science. In this video, we'll discuss what data science is, how it works, and its numerous applications in various industries. So, let's get started. First, let's define what data science is. Data science is the field of study that involves the extraction, analysis, and interpretation of data to gain insights and knowledge. It's a multidisciplinary field that incorporates aspects of mathematics, statistics, computer science, and domain-specific knowledge. One of the primary applications of data science is in business. By analyzing data, companies can gain insights into customer behavior, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. For example, an e-commerce company can use data analysis to identify which products are selling well, what factors contribute to customer satisfaction, and how to optimize their website for better user experience. Another application of data science is in healthcare. By analyzing medical data, researchers can identify patterns and correlations, develop predictive models, and improve patient outcomes. For example, data science can be used to identify risk factors for certain diseases, develop personalized treatment plans, and optimize hospital workflows for better patient care. Now, let's talk about some of the tools and techniques used in data science. One of the most popular programming languages for data science is Python, which has numerous libraries for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Other tools include SQL for database management and R for statistical analysis. Data science also incorporates various techniques, such as machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Machine learning involves using algorithms to analyze data and make predictions or decisions, while deep learning uses neural networks to recognize patterns and features in data. Natural language processing involves using algorithms to analyze and understand human language. Conclusion. In conclusion, data science is a rapidly growing field that has numerous applications in various industries. By analyzing data, companies can gain insights into customer behavior, improve business operations, and make data-driven decisions. Additionally, data science can be applied to healthcare, finance, transportation, and many other fields. I hope this video has given you a basic understanding of what data science is and its potential to transform the way we live and work. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content like this.